Gillian. Sweeney is my name. I work in the information section in the Department of Social Protection down in Sligo. We offer information and advice in relation to income supports and employment services. We have a website which is www.welfare.ie, which offers information in relation to qualifying conditions in relation to social welfare schemes and services. So by keeping your social insurance record fully up to date, it just means you're maximising your entitlements to future social welfare schemes and services. For more information, you can contact our section, the information section, on local 1890 662244, or alternatively you can log on to the website www.welfare.ie.